Today's vid is going to be the journey to the mountains in China, mountain, which is super big and was almost 3 hours. On today's vid, I will be showing you the road, who's going with me, and what I brought, and in the next vid, I'll show the tour of the hotel, mountain, and restaurant. I didn't start filming until only one more hour to go, so I went to bed at 2 a.m. and woke up at 7:30. Yesterday, we went out to go to a big area with small, cute thing to buy, and I got stationery and a blind box. Also announcing something, I'ma use my voice and use less. AI voice since I'm typing this, and I can't voice over since I'm with a friend. The mountain is called Emeishan. You might be wondering, where are you from? I am from China and America. My mom is Chinese and my dad is American from Florida. I was born in Malaysia. I've been to a lot of trips in different countries. We are so close to the mountains. Now I don't live in America, China, Malaysia, but this is me flying to China. It was scary because I was thinking of final destination. Enjoy the view as I talk even more, LOL. If TJS vid gets 10,000 views and 500 likes, it'll reveal myself by a Q and speed it up, but yeah. 10 times faster. But back to the car trip. I fell asleep and guess about my frame because it was... But right now we are getting gas. We are going from the city to the countryside. Back on the road, guys. Also, I will hide a code for a secret thing in Roblox is in one of my vids. I got this plushie dough from a claw machine. They made it. I dropped my iPad everything. This is friend wanted to sacrifice something to go to America. Sadly, my dad is in America, and we adopted him. My dog is where I live with a friend, and I have a pic of my dad, which looks bad. So, but right now I'll put some music. Picture time, guys. We are on the mountain. They have monkeys here also. Steel. When I'm editing this, we went the wrong way and turn. Picture time again. We are 26 minutes away. Oops, dropped something. It's really pretty. I'll post more soon. Check this vid out, though. If you're bored, let me show what me and Sunny Gamer made. If you're bored, let me show what me and Sunny Gamer made. Guys, this is the end of this video, so bye. But I will make a vid on the hotel, the food. Everything, so like and sub.